everybody, Artistic Flair here, back with another speed art video. Today I will be drawing Zuko, and this is inspired from when Zuko is teaching Aang. Let's begin! Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. In the comment section, can you guess which last two Avatar the Last Airbender characters I will be drawing a speeder of? Leave that down in the comment section. Any suggestions? Leave them down in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you guys want to suggest. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you want to see any more of my content. As always, stay creative. Bye!